I finally found those seeds at Savoy cabbage. We're going to get some of those started and we're going to put them in these little containers. We'll just put a few seeds in and then we'll prick out those seedlings and move them on to somewhere bigger to allow them to grow on. So because we're using such a small container, we're not really using much in way of compost. Basically you just need to almost fill it and then level it out. Don't really need to compact it down at this stage. Just give us a nice level bed. Stops all your seeds rolling to one side when you start broadcasting them. Now just make sure there's plenty of moisture in this container. I usually cover these tubs up with cling film. Traps all that moisture in this container while those seeds are germinating, and in turn speeds that process up. So I always get a good water in, let it soak through, and then get another quick blast, and that'll sort it out for quite a while. I want to get these plants growing as quick as possible, so I'm just going to broadcast a few seeds over the top, trying to space them out as best I can. But I'm going to put in more than I know I need, just in case some don't germinate. There's quite a few seeds gone in there. I just want to guarantee that I get something. And then we'll put these seeds somewhere where I can actually find them this time. Then I am going to give this one a light covering with that colander. Just want to get them underway as quick as possible. So this very thin dusting of compost is going to help that process. And it doesn't take too long. That long in fact, and it's all done. And then just a quick water over the top of that. Then we know there's plenty of moisture in there. And I'll just lay a label across the back of that, because then we know exactly what's in there. I've made that mistake more than once this year already. So we'll get some cling film put over the top of that to keep that moisture in, and we'll wait for those little seedlings to appear. It's only been a day since we looked at one of those containers that we've done for us autumn plants, and that was radish, and you could see that there was quite a lot of plants on the way through. But just overnight we've got another one that's doing the same, and that's some mixed lettuce for leaf picking or cut and come again. Another tub well on its way. Now I can see that things are germinating. I can take this glass off and you can see how much moisture that bit of glass has been holding in just by laid across tops of them tubs. That's just kept it constantly watered. And that's the reason that these seeds are germinating that little bit quicker. All I have to do now, that I can see things coming through, is either give them a light misting when that sun's not out, or stand them in a tray and bottom water, which is always a better option. So it took us a while to get there, but now them seeds have been sown and them plants are on the way. And this coming week, because we got all those bargain seeds this morning, we're going to be able to get a lot more seeds sown and just try and get as many things growing as possible between now and end of August. There's still time to grow quite a lot of things, and obviously your salads and your spring onions, you can just keep growing those in your greenhouse for as long as you want to. So this coming week I'll have a look through those seeds and we'll have a look at what else we can sow and grow in this greenhouse over the next few weeks. If you're interested in seeing what we're going to be doing this coming week, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. Take care.